markings na mga blue. So it means dun mag-i-stop yung, pero hindi rin tayo talaga sure dyan kung ano talaga ba dapat. So bukas naka-schedule tayo pumunta sa Toyota. So may iba kasi dito talaga worst yung part na yung maluwag. So dito check natin. Ito yung cover niya. Ayan o, madali naman alsin, pero mahigpit naman yung sa side dito. So yung marker dito at saka yung nut, ayan. So mahigpit naman yun sa akin, pero kasama daw. So yun, let's see if ano yung gagawin tomorrow. May iba kasi talagang pinalitan ng buo So pinalitan ng fender, nakita ko sa mga list. Pero yun, I'll see na lang what's up. Not sure din if why nagdudumi tong part na to. Hindi ko matandaan kung ganyan na yan dati. Alright, so yun, once again, please stay tuned and let's check out for later.
The next day.
So yun guys, good morning. Velos, silver purplish, our Velos, tapos may white din dito. Shout out DBG. So yun guys, we're here at Toyota Calamba and service campaign. Patay natin. I think service campaign number 5. So yan, dito tayo this time kasama yung front shock dito sa dalawa. Mamaya, pakita natin. So dyan yung magiging ano natin. That's why we're here. Alright, coffee guys. Of course. Cappuccino tayo. You know. We're here at Toyota Calamba. So, service advisor, yung mga nakabooking, waiting din area, parts, pag may ordering kayo, tapos showroom. So, pretty much, ito yung kanilang area. And then of course here are the drinks. We got juice and some coffee. So choose your favorites.
A few moments later.
Okay, so tinawag na yung ating unit. Pupunta siya sa loob. Unfortunately, wala sa viewing area because mga PMS lang dito sa part na to. Mga change oil and everything like that. Yung mga light works, heavy works dun sa loob. So yun guys, once again, let's just wait and see. Okay, so yun nga guys, hintay lang tayo dito sa showroom. 1 hour lang daw gagawin, so i-check lang nila kung damage or not. If it's not damage, so retighten lang talaga nung nuts. And if it's damage, maraming papaltan. And wala pa nangyayari dito. Ma-avoid. Okay, so yun guys, may marking tayo dito. So na-tighten siya. Napapunta siya ng a little. Yung sa kabila, check natin. So yan yung cover niya. So yan, part ng service campaign. So ito guys, yung ating, wala mo tayong binayaran ito. Ay, aray lang. Ayun. So yun din guys, na-adjust to, yung blue. Tinighten nila ng konti. Parang halos same nung movement. Naka-torque naman yun yung init. Oh yan, okay na. Ayun. So ayun guys, okay na. Yan yung sa service campaign. So we're good. Hintayin na natin sa cowl cover next time. Kasi medyo amangat. So once again, thanks. Okay, so yun guys. Once again, we're done. As you can see, grabe. 127,000. Pero wala akong binayaran guys. So ito lang yung mangyayari if damage yung all assembly nyo. Yung shocks, yung fender. Kasi nga, syempre, pag maluwag yung shock. So probably basta ito yung whole components ng service campaign na to. Guys, sinabi ko lang service campaign 5, meron tayong 1, 2, which is previously meron tayong vlog sa recall yung sa brake caliper, dun sa may bolt, and then dito sa may pintuan. So and then I think this is 3, kaya walang sinabi 5 because yung 4 and 5, yung 4 I consider na cowl cover, tapos yung 3 yung wireless charger ng Velos. So yun guys, once again, ayan, pinakita ko sa inyo dito yung before. Kitang-kita naman dito na ito yung factory Titan. So tinight nila na konti. I forgot kung ano yung measurement na sinabi nila regarding dito. Hindi ko na indicate, so sorry. Pero yun. So syempre, I trusted Toyota. Sila na yung nag-tight niyan. Well, dun sa mga maluag, yung iba kita ko tinatight. So okay naman yun. Pero once again, since may service campaign, nagpunta tayo dyan, nagpa-appointment tayo, pumunta tayo ng maaga, and yun. So, may mga ano naman, may mga freebies yun, pero freebies sa mga coffee, pero I was expecting, syempre, you devoted your time, pumunta ka, nag-schedule ka, di ba, to address the issue, pero sana man lang, merong free car wash. Anyways, pero yun, it's all good naman. So, once again, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos and real experience of Toyota Veloz 2022 model. So ayan guys, once again, follow me for more. Bye!